So you just open this up. Get your big piece of insulation. Dry fit it how you're gonna want it to be. I'm gonna overdo it just a little bit, so I'm gonna go about 1 inch past. So it's a little bigger. I'm gonna cut this off. You cut this off using scissors or an X-Acto knife, whatever. Okay, now you've got the insulation cut. It's that comes in the package. One of these guys, and you stick it on there, okay? So now you got 2 sticky. Another one, now you got 2. We're gonna put this right in the middle. And take our insulation, shove it up. And just keep going panel after panel until you have them all done. Cut them to size, stick them in, put your little stickies. Don't forget to put 2, not just 1. That was my mistake on the first 8. Then I got it on the other ones. You can get these things at Home Depot or on Amazon. I'll put a link, affiliate link, in the comments below if you're interested in buying them. And what else? Pretty simple. I didn't film it all because I think you guys got the gist of it. And that is that. Oh, also, I went around with duct tape, white duct tape, and just secured them in. Made me feel better about the whole thing. Thanks for watching. This is Melanie, Vintage Makeovers with Melanie, and I'll see you soon.